Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am gonna show you how to make this amazing infographic design in just 2 minutes. So let's start. If you want this free template, you can ask for it in the comments and I'll send you the free link. So what you have to do is, first of all, open up a blank slide, insert the title, increase the size, give it a bold form, give it a middle alignment. Then we're gonna insert the shape, which is basically a pentagon, and what we're gonna do is increase the size, put it right here. Then we're just gonna remove its fill, give it an outline of black color, duplicate it. For this, let's rotate it, and for the front shape, we're gonna give it a fill color of white, give it this 5th number shadow. And then what we're gonna do is duplicate it about in 2 shapes, put both them like this, and subtract it, and then put it right here. Change its color and remove the shadow. Then what we're gonna do is just insert a small circle right here on top. And here we go. The next thing we have to do is just add an icon right here. And then let's just insert the text right here. Then we're just gonna insert our subtitle right here. Then we're gonna go for like the content text. Let's just put it right here. Then let's just put it right here, duplicate it about in 2 more shapes. Then we're just gonna change the colors in the text and change the content text, and that's all what you have to do. Let's go for some editing. Then we're just gonna duplicate our slide. And what you need to do is just, after duplicating it, go to the first slide. And let's just rotate these shapes and then move them down. So yeah, after giving both of these more transition, this is the final result. If you want this free template, make sure to comment down and ask for it, and I'll send you the link in the description below.